Welcome to Box Breakers, celebrating our 11th year on eBay. Today's break is number 625, 625. We're opening two boxes of Panini Select 13-14 hockey. Our last winning bid was for the Winnipeg Jets, and it ended May 20th at 8:29 p.m. And according to timeanddate.com, it is 17 past 10 a.m. Thursday, May 21st. Eastern Time, local time in Toronto, Ontario. Our first box number is 190, 853, 488. Where was that? Do it again. Better. Second box number is 190, 850, 071. We've got 6 cards per pack, 12 pack per box, total of 2 boxes to open. Put a little pad for hits. First box, Panini Select 13-14. Too many boxes. One empty box. Better. One empty box. 6 packs. One empty box. 6 packs. First pack. Whoop, put them on the other side. Better. Extra careful like always. Here we go, first pack. Got a rookie, Nicholas Blanchard for Hurricanes. Emerson Etem out of 99 for Ducks. Rookie autograph. Signature card, and it's the Prism version. Short print out of 99. Andrew Ladd from Winnipeg. Prism parallel card. Philip Fosberg for Predators. Rookie Select Future. And Steven Paniazzotto for Panthers. There we got Panthers written on the top here. Panthers rookie. A little clean up here. I like it when it's clean and on screen. Michael Scarboza out of 199. Colorado. Nice rookie auto jersey. Beautiful design in this card. Michael Granlund from Minnesota. Rookie Fire on Ice. And Jonathan Quick for Kings. Prisma parallel card. Okay, next file. John Musey, Hurricanes, rookie card. Darcy Kemper out of 399 from Minnesota, rookie signature card. On the back there. Ryan Sutter, Minnesota, Prism Parallel. Henrik Sedin for Vancouver, Cornerstone insert, numbered. Nope. And rookie Steve Oleksy for Washington. Carl Soderberg out of 399 for Boston, rookie signature card. Bruins. And last pack over first box. Ryan Miller for Sabres, Fire on Ice card. And Carey Price, Prism Parallel for Montreal. That's your first box. Clean up second box. Like I mentioned, and we have 5 box breaks ending tonight between 8:30 and 10:30 p.m. Empty box. Whoops, sorry. Empty box. Yeah, a 5-box break. We've got some SPG Muse, Titanium, Crown Royale, Superlative Vault. More appeal all the time on box breakers. 14 boxes tonight. Okay, here we go. 1 empty box. 6-pack. Another empty mini box. 2, 4, 6-pack. A new file. Here we go. First pack of our second box. John Musey, rookie for Hurricanes. Andres Schuster, rookie for Tampa. Jamie Benn for Dallas. Prism Parallel. Double strike. Al McInnes for Blues. And Steve Oleksy, rookie for Washington. Nicklas Jensen out of 399 for Vancouver, rookie autograph card. Fire on Ice, Vladimir Tarasenko for Blues. rookie. Taylor Hall, Prism Parallel for Oilers. Jason Akeson, rookie for Flyers. Colton Tubert for Oilers. Signature card, Youth Explosion. Eric Johnson, Colorado, Prism Parallel. Select Freezers, Ron Extall for Flyers. And Daniel Bang, rookie for Predators. Michael Scarboza out of 25. The other base out of 25. Card number 14. Wow, rookie auto patch. Short print. Nice hit for Colorado. And last pack of our 2-box break. Henrik Zetterberg for Detroit, Fire on Ice. And Victor Edmond for Tampa, Prism Parallel. So that concludes our break number 625, a 2-box of Select 1314. Be sure to check out our box breaks tonight, 5 of them ending between 8:30 and 10:30 p.m. My name is Gilles. We thank you all from Box Breakers, your one-stop shop for box breaks.